Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Pocoyo play football. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Pocoyo's face, starting with his eyes. Then, I draw his nose and his opening mouth. Then, I draw his hat like this. I continue to draw his body, draw his two arms. Then draw his two legs. Draw his two hands. I draw a ball that is at his feet. Finally, I draw a goal like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use sky blue to paint his hat. I color his clothes sky blue too. Red, yellow, cream for his skin, then I use gray to paint a goal. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.